If you're not having joy in doing this one thing with your finances, maybe it's time for you to stop. And I know this is going to ruffle some feathers, so I'm going to say it anyway. Hi, I'm Serene, and I am your financial coach and wealth strategist. What I do is I'm in the business of making kingdom healed and whole kingdom financiers. Listen, if you are giving tithes and offerings and it's not bringing you joy to your life to do it, then you need to stop. I'm just going to be honest, because there's no point in doing it. If you've made tithes and offerings a chore, something you have to do on your Sunday checklist, and you have no joy in it, you need to stop. You have to understand your giving is an act of worship. And when you are worshiping the true and the living God, there needs to be some kind of joy in doing this. God loves a cheerful giver. You need to be joyful when you're doing this. Not a fake smile that you plaster and you walking down the aisle when they're playing the music and by giving your tithes and offerings, that parade they do around the church. I'm talking about in your heart. If it's just something to do and it's just a checklist, or I better do this because God gonna be mad at me, you need to stop, because there's no blessing in that for you. God does not honor every offering. If your offering is sloppy and messy and not full of joy and not in worship of Him, He might not take it. So I would, if I were you, to sit down and do a serious heart check about what you're giving, how you're giving it, and why you're giving it, and asking God, is my offering pleasing unto you and you alone? And in that way, you can make sure that your offering is given the way God intended for it to be given, so that way you can have a blessing happen in your life. So that's all I gotta say. I love you all to life. Please like, comment, follow, and share. I am Serene. I am your financial coach and wealth strategist. I'm in the business of making heal and whole kingdom financiers, and I want you to be one of them through your giving. Love you to life. Talk to you soon. Bye.